In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy code from Lovable AI to VS Code, quick and easy, 2026. We're going to walk through two simple ways to get your Lovable project's code into Visual Studio Code. The first is a quick manual copy for specific files, and the second is the streamlined Edit in VS Code option that opens the whole project in a VS Code environment. Use whichever fits your workflow. Start by opening Lovable and selecting the app or project you want to work on. Make sure you're on the correct project dashboard so the files you need are available. At the top of the project view, look for the three-dot menu. Click it to reveal more options. This menu is where Lovable tucks away the developer tools you'll need. Choose the option labeled Code. This opens Lovable's Code Viewer, where you can see the generated files for your app. From here, you can manually select the pages or files you want to edit in VS Code. Open a file, highlight the code, and copy it. In VS Code on your machine, create or open the matching file and paste the code in. Be sure to keep the same folder structure and file name so imports resolve correctly. If a file references components, styles, or assets, copy those supporting files as well to avoid broken paths. This approach is great when you only need a few snippets or pages. As a good habit, don't paste secrets or environment variables into your repository. Manage those in a secure .env file or your platform's secret manager. If you prefer an even easier method, Lovable has you covered. In the top right corner of the project, click the GitHub icon and choose Edit in VS Code. Lovable will route you straight into a VS Code experience tied to your project's repository. Depending on your setup, it may open a browser-based VS Code window or prompt you to open your desktop VS Code. If you're not signed in, you might be asked to log into your GitHub account and authorize access. Once it opens, you'll see your project files in the Explorer, ready to browse, edit, and save like any normal code base. This method keeps the structure intact automatically and cuts down on manual copying. If you're using the desktop app, you can also use the integrated terminal to install dependencies and run your app locally. And that's it. Two quick paths to get Lovable code into VS Code, whether you're copying a file or opening the full project editor. Give it a try on your next project and enjoy a smoother handoff from AI-generated code to your development workflow. Congratulations.